Today we have a 2004 Hyundai Sonata. We already have the side mirror replacement taken care of on this one today. And now I'm going to show you how to remove the stereo. We're going to start with opening the bottom compartment pocket here. This will allow us to get better access to the panel going around the car stereo. It includes the AC vents, the emergency flashers, clock, and the AC controls. So if you go in right above the pocket, you can feel the edge of this panel coming down across the top. We're just going to put our fingers down here just to see if we can get a little grip on it. And we're going to put our pry bar in on the side of the panel. It will pop forward. There are several clips holding this panel on. We're going to work our way around this panel, releasing the clips. And usually once you get them started, they all start. There we go. Now we have the panel loose. We have several connectors here on the back of the panel, and we're going to start with the ones over at the AC at the bottom, but we can wiggle this forward a little more here. There we go. Bring it forward. We're going to remove the vacuum hose on the side of the AC controls here. Pull it forward a little more. We have two connectors on the bottom of the AC controls here. Both of them have triggers on the top. We're going to push it down in the center of the first connector, the trigger down, which releases the lock. This will allow us to wiggle the connector loose, and we're going to do that for the second connector as well. And remove this second connector. Okay, now we're going to pull this forward a little bit more. We're going to turn this upside down because the two triggers on the two connectors here, one for the clock, one for the emergency flashers, the triggers are at the bottom, so we're going to push the trigger down on the first one, releases the lock. Push the trigger down on the second one here. There it is. You can hear that one snap when it unlocked. And let's see if we can wiggle it loose. Alright, with this last connector removed, we can take this panel and set it to the side. This is going to give us access to the car stereo. And tuck these wires back a bit so they don't get pinched or in the way while we're working on the rest of this. We have our vacuum hose at the bottom. If you have other stereo removal questions, any car, any model, see the website carstereohelp.com. Most of them are listed there, of what I have available. Also, we have some repair videos as well. We're going to remove these 4 Phillips screws that secure the stereo to the dash. They look like 4 Phillips. Oh, those are kind of tight. And we have 4 of these. Again, if you're looking for speaker removal, antenna repair, and so on, replacement, removal, see the website carstereohelp.com. See what I got listed there. Now this is 3 screws out, and we're to the final screw here at the top. We readjusted the rear view mirror twice now, and now this screw comes out, and this is going to allow us to reach back behind the stereo and sort of push it out of the dash. Again, we're going to have connectors here on the back like the ones we've seen previously. We have the power antenna, which we'll remove. Or excuse me, the antenna wire. This is just a pinch fit. There's no trigger on it. Just removing that from the dash releases it. And then we have the car stereo over here. Has a trigger on it as well. And let's see, where is that trigger? Okay, trigger's at the top, of course, right in the middle. Right in the middle at the top. Push that down, and that'll release the connector. This is how you remove the stereo from a 2004 Hyundai Sonata. If this video has been helpful, please thumbs up, please subscribe. Any other questions or looking for other help, see Car Stereo Help. Thank you for watching.